Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete old check-ins on Facebook to manage your location history and protect your privacy, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account using a web browser or the Facebook app on your mobile device. Step 2. Click on your profile picture to access your timeline and profile page. Step 3. Scroll down to the Manage Posts section or click on Activity Log in the menu to view your past posts and activities. Step 4. Use the filter options to select check-ins or location from the activity type menu. Step 5. Browse through your old check-ins and locate the ones you want to delete. Step 6. Click the three-dot icon next to the check-in post you want to remove. Step 7. Select Delete or Move to Trash from the drop-down menu. Step 8. Confirm the deletion by clicking Delete Post when prompted to permanently remove the check-in from your timeline. Step 9. Repeat these steps for any additional check-ins you want to delete from your Facebook profile. Step 10. Review your activity log regularly to manage and delete old location data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.